Want to get lost in flavor? Well, I'm headed into the haunted forest where the snacks crunch back. Welcome back to What I Tasted, where I make your favorite comfort foods plant-based and better. I'm Jeremiah, and today I'm making another 31 days of Halloween. I'm going to be making a simple recipe today, and this one is called Haunted Forest Trail Mix. This snack is going to be super simple to make. It's going to be delicious, and it's going to be quick. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and put some pumpkin seeds on some aluminum foil that I just have loose over the cast iron. I'm going to do the same with some pistachio and some almonds. Okay, I'm going to do a quick little drizzle of oil, some salt, and I'm just going to mix this up a little bit. Okay, so this is going to go in the oven 350 degrees for about 20 minutes. All right, there we go. That mixture is all toasted up. So now, while that cools, I'm going to go ahead in a large bowl, add in the other ingredients because I don't want them to melt or get hot. And so I'm going to go ahead and put that aside and get started on that. Okay, I'm going to add some dried cranberries, some dried bananas. I'm just going to rip up the dried bananas as I throw them in here. And I'm going to break up some coconut strips as well. All right, that looks good. All right, and so now I'm going to add in the nuts. All right, so that looks great. All right, and so now I'm going to add in some activated charcoal. That's going to really help bring out this dark forest idea. All right, we're going to let that rest and cool down a little bit more. All right, so that's cooled down enough. So let's go ahead and add in our black M&Ms. As you can see, I have a cauldron of dark forest trail mix, and let's try it out. This is great. You got sweet, salty, chewy, crunchy. This is a great trail mix. Add a little bit of the activated charcoal. You know, it makes it seem more like the dark forest, right? So this is simple, it's fun, you know, and it's no compromise to snack to take to go or to enjoy, you know, just hanging out at a party or watching some of the Halloween movies. Either way, it's simple. And it's great. I guess now all there is to say is, you know, don't go out getting lost in the dark forest. So that way you can come back and see some more great recipes because I'm your friend with food benefits. And I'll see you again real soon.